perspective here. Just a quick video on introducing some new postal services and courier services for our European customers. I'm going to illustrate this by doing a little video. Let's have a look in a cart. One item in the cart, it's under 150 euro. The key is 150 euros on some of our services for post. So we're going to go to checkout. Incidentally, I'm using France as a test here, obviously part of the EU. Now, quick word about Brexit. Unfortunately, that happened in January 2021. It's caused a load of headaches for us, but we're on top of it all. We are now offering you guys the opportunity to prepay your import VAT and duty. So this speeds up delivery of your packages immensely because the courier company, the postal company aren't getting involved and then knocking at your door asking for payment of import VAT and duty, and also handling charge, which can be quite annoying. So here we have a low value item. You can use DHL Global Mail Packet Post here. Now you have to prepay on this service, and you also have to prepay on the service for tracked. Now this is only for 150 euro orders, under 150 euro orders. So let's proceed with that one. So we're now on the kind of order summary page. You can see here, there is your import VAT and duty, £5.90. So you just go through, pay it. We will ship the products out to you and they will arrive with you directly. You've already paid your import VAT and duty. Now those funds will end up with customs in France in the end. So it's not as if England are going to benefit from any of this. We're basically collecting VAT and duty on behalf of the French customs, and that gets passed back to you in the end. Cool, so that's for your cheaper €4.14 service airmail. Let's go back and select the tracked version. Again, this is Deutsche Post, and then again you have to prepay on 150 euro. That's great. And then you could use UPS Standard. So the price of UPS Standard isn't too bad. This is a courier company, €12.34. You can only prepay on orders under 150 euro. So if you want to use UPS Standard and you want to prepay, click that and then click that. And there you go. There's your payment thing there. Then we go back. So if you don't want to pay with that, you just untick this box here, and there you go. You're not being prepaid. You're not prepaying the VAT and duty. Same with here. So FedEx is another service which is pretty keen, $14.99. So continue to that, and you're not prepaying here. But I would strongly recommend you prepay for any courier services because their handling charges are quite more, and you know it can be annoying. So to prepay on a courier service, click that, and then you must click that. Let's do FedEx. Continue to review, and you can say you prepaid it. Bada bing. Okay, now let's change our cart. So let's put it on over 150 euro. So let's order 8 of these. It's 202 euro. Check out. Continue. Right, so with DHL Global Mail Tracked, you cannot prepay on orders under 150 euro. So if you click that button, yeah, the man at La Poste, who is the postal partner with Deutsche Post, will knock on your door and ask you to pay some extra money for import VAT and duty. There will also be a small handling charge, but it won't be a lot. So if you do want to prepay, then you're going to have to use one of the courier services. You can't use UPS because you can only prepay on orders under €150. So go to FedEx there, tick the box there, and then you prepay. All done, so it'll get to you quickly. So I think you get the idea of how it works. All I can say is really do think about prepaying import VAT and duty. It just speeds up delivery no end, and you know what you're paying. What you're paying with us on the day is what you are paying. There's no extra charges. And thanks for listening. Happy DIYing.